Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ほうれん草とベーコンのバター醤油おにぎり。It's onigiri rice balls with spinach and bacon seasoned with buttery soy sauce. Butter and soy sauce, these are best friends, just like bacon and cheese. When we hear the combination, we instantly know it's gonna be good. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ほうれん草とベーコンのバター醤油おにぎり. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 200 grams of spinach, 4 slices of cured bacon, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce and butter, and 1 tablespoon of mirin. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put the rice in the pot here. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with the lid and let it sit at least for half an hour to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's prepare the spinach and bacon. I'm going to saute the spinach and bacon, but before that, I'm going to pre-cook the spinach in boiling water. Spinach is sometimes harsh or bitter because of the acid it contains, and I want to remove the acid by cooking it in boiling water. Stalks first. Then the leafy part. You never want to overcook it, so once it's wilted, drain it straight away. And rinse it under running water. This will also remove the acid. Squeeze the spinach really well to remove all the excess water. Cut the bottom off and cut them into little pieces. Bacon. Let's cut them into thin slices. Both bacon and spinach in one pot. You can use the same pot that you used to cook the spinach. No oil needed. Fat will come out from the bacon. Bacon first. Then the spinach. Let's add the seasonings. Mirin, soy sauce, and butter. Keep cooking until the butter melts. Turn the heat off, and spinach and bacon seasoned with buttery soy sauce is ready. The rice has been soaked for half an hour, so let's start to cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. This steaming is a very important process, so don't pass it. Steam for 10 minutes. So let's fluff and mix the spinach and bacon mixture in. The seasonings and everything. Once it's evenly mixed, cool down to touchable temperature to make onigiri. Now, the rice is still warm but touchable. Try not to make it too cold. When it's too cold, it's going to be a bit difficult to form the signature triangle shape. Prepare some salt and bowl of water, both random amount, and a little bowl to standardize the size of each onigiri. Wet the mold using the bowl of water. Put the rice. Wet your hands. Put some salt. Spread it all over your hands. Put the rice on your hand and try to make it into triangle shape. Let me show you one more time. This time, my view. Wet the mold. Put some rice. Wet your hands. Some salt all over your hands. Then into triangle shape. Okay, I made 9 regular onigiri and 1 baby onigiri for the tasting. So let's try. By the way, onigiri is something you can use your hands to eat. いただきます。Like I said at the beginning, soy sauce and butter, they are like best friends. And it makes the onigiri so flavorful. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Onigiri goes here. And today's onigiri is rich, so let's pass the main. Let's have otofu to chingensai no tamago soup here to add protein to the meal. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have kebetsu no goma mayo salada for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.